Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and today is my 90 days English speaking challenge. So friends, today I want to share with you like one important and most important chapter, and the book name is The Power of Positive Thinking and chapter name is How to Faith in Healing. It's a very important chapter. So what I learned from this chapter, like Dr. Naaman Vincent says that always the power has heal to both body and mind, and like illness, weakness, fear, and anxiety always gives you weakness, and if you develop a positive, strong belief in God then and positivity and inner values then your mind keep working towards them. So what I learned from in this chapter, key points in this chapter. So firstly, love faith create inner peace. It's a very important thing. Why? Because many diseases comes from the fear and anxiety and stress, and if we have faith in God and divine power, then we always think positively. It's very important things. So like second thing, positive thinking gives you help you fear illness fight with body. So how can fight with the illness? So we have many diseases, many qualities, like many problems in our life. Like if we consistently think about I am weak, I am sick, then our body accept it. And if we think always saying with faith in God give me healing and my strength and power returning, then your body respond actively. It's a positively, it's a important things. And like second other front, the prayer as healing power, energy, gives energy. Like prayer is not just about asking for the God for the help. It connects you divine power. And if you faith in God, if you full faith in God, then you feel peace and positivity and inner strength. And it's a very important thing. And you believe in God, then you feel peace and positivity. And like other things, love and forgiveness blocks the inner values. And you always think about the negativity, then your inner value is not working, and not any other things. If you visualizing if you thinking about the forgiveness and love, then it's create your inner values and think positively. It's important things are the other things, like visualizing and affirmation. You are you think about the I am healthy in minds and peace and in heart and body and in spirit, then you always feel happy in your inner values. And other things, like if you keep thinking about the problems, then your mind not working, always feel unhappy, weakness, and many other things. So it is enough for I learn from in this chapter. And I always think about the positive affirmation, like God help me and I always doing hard work and achieve our things. So in this chapter I learned. So okay friends, it's my today's content. I will upload next content and next things in tomorrow. Okay, bye bye and take care.